What up, YouTube? Got a old school joint. This is a 94, 99, 1999 4Runner Toyota. Telling you these things last forever. Anyway, I'm doing an AC compressor, right? Got this new phone. I don't really like the camera. I can see it's already a little jumpy. I like this Galaxy S10. It's a Galaxy A53. Anyway, uh, you don't have to move this air cleaner box, but there's like one, two, and three bolts. So you don't need an extension to get that one and that one. This one right here is on the top, which is right there. Now, I seen somebody take out the power steering. You can do that very easily. There's like one bolt there, one bolt right here. It's one, two, and then three right there. And this will just move out the way. But then you're gonna have to worry about, putting it back on, messing with the belt and all that stuff. You really don't have to take that out. You can actually get to this stuff right here. There's your compressor right there. You see, there's all your bolts right here. Here's your lines. You got your two. Really, what I did, I just came in right here. You get everything right here. Here's your lines are 10 millimeters. There's a 12 millimeter right there. There's another 12 millimeter right there behind that hose. And you can just pull all that off, and then you got two more right there. There's your other two bottom bolts right there. And you get everything right here. Now, what I did though, the only reason I took this out was because after I put the compressor back in, I had to plug in right here on the top. There's your plug. So I had to get my hand in right here to plug, because my hand's not that small. And then another thing, see, this the old one, right? Now the new one had this right here. So I had to take this off, boom, put it here. And the old one, I had to transfer, the little thing so the lines could go into it. So, boom, that's the, you probably want to transfer that. And then on the bottom here, you get to the bottom bolts right here. Alright, so on the bottom, you can get to the bottom bolts right here pretty easy. And then this is a 14 millimeter, that's a 14. So you loosen that up, turn this counterclockwise, and then that'll loosen up. This right here is kind of stuck for me. I had to put a lot of PB blaster on it and go back and forth with it because it was a little rusted. And then I had there's a 10 millimeter right here and a 12 right here holding that bracket for these lines. And then there's a 10 millimeter right here holding in that bracket right there, holding in that line. So I'll probably put this bracket back on right here like that, and then that goes right there. And I still got to tighten up that line. So I'm just tighten up the belt, and then I got that plugged in. But that's what I did. I got the bottom bolts from down below, and I took out the bottom bolts on the pulley, loosened them up, and then I came in right here with a long extension, hit all that, it just fell out. And then once you take out, these two bolts right here, this bolt right here, then I took these lines and pushed them up like that, and then dropped the compressor out right here while pushing the lines up. Now the bottom two bolts, you want to leave those in until you drop the compressor. After you drop the compressor, you can take them out once you start turning it, or you can just leave them in, and the bolts will come out all the way with the compressor. But that's it, really. Ain't nothing. You might have like a little cover right here. You might gotta remove. Somebody already removed it, and then also there's usually like a little shield in the bottom down there. But this car was already removed, so that was kind of easy on me. But anyway, it's AC compressor replacement, 99. 4Runner 3400 motor, 3.4 liter. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Peace.